by the way, what is your real name? As you kept your channel name English Nayak, but what is your real name?
English is my real name. In my place, everyone calls me English. So it's my nickname, but English is my actually real name.
Really? Your name is
Yes.
English? Oh my
Yes.
God.
Language is the only way to communicate with different cultures and different people. So English is it's an international language. So this language is very common, spoken widely language in the world. And third thing is, if you know English, then you have a different value. Your education and your everything. People will see you in different way if you know English well.
And in this way, we can learn and we can meet with new people with a new idea. So it's a great thing, and it's a free of cost. Anyone can create their video and their channel and start their journey. So hello, how are you?
Hi. I'm great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic, and because it's our first conversation, so I want to know about you. Could you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is English Nayak. You can call me English. I am from Odisha, and my education, I have completed my bachelor degree. Nowadays, I teach the students of the middle school at my home. Yes, I was guessing you are from West Bengal because West Bengal people, they look different. So and also beautiful. So I was guessing you are from West Bengal. Okay, do you have any question for me? Any topic for discussion? Because we must need some topic, a question for 10 minutes, 12 minutes conversation.
Yeah, okay. So could you share your YouTube journey? Like just you shared your channel link. So I guess you have uploaded more than 400 videos. So I want to know about your journey on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, I have uploaded more than 400, but these are not a video because some sorts I was uploading. Nowadays, I'm not uploading only video, but not every day. After 3 days, 4 days, I'm uploading videos. So I'm not much active on my channel and my YouTube journey. Yeah, I started last November, yeah, past December, in 2022. So yeah, it's really fantastic. I have learned many things from my journey, especially starting is hard, and when you start from zero level, it's more hard than other things. So I learned many things, and yeah, I got a good experience, and I think it will help me in future also.
Yes, yes, same here. Because YouTube provides me freedom of time. Whenever you want to do your work, you can do. And being a homemaker, I can manage both my professional life and personal life. And it's an enjoyable process. English learning is an enjoyable process for me. I never get tired to invest my time towards learning English. So, and yes, I also have created a lot of videos on my channel. I have uploaded more than 500 videos, and
Oh,
I have
that's
started
good.
my journey. Yeah, I have started my journey in 2021 in the month of November. So it's been 2 years. You can. I have been posting videos on my channel. So
So how the
yes,
channel
it's
is going?
very nice. Yeah, it's great. As per my effort, the effort I have put, yeah, I'm getting result. I'm happy, and I'm feeling it's my learning journey. Yeah. So
Yeah, yeah,
I'm not bothering that so much about monetization, because for monetization and for earning purpose, you need to put lot of effort. Nowadays, competition is so high, and you
yeah,
need to develop lot of things like your editing skill, your spoken English, your presentation. Means it's a 24/7. If you want really to grow your channel, you have to put a lot of efforts in every aspect.
yeah.
So
Nowadays,
that
learning this language and opening your own
hmm,
channel, uploading English content video. Now it's a world like we participate there. They're a competitor and they're fighting like my channel, my English, like this.
Yes, 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 it's true. And in this way we can learn, and we can meet with new people with a new idea. So it's a great thing, and it's a free of cost. Anyone can create their video and their channel and start their journey. So it's a free of cost. So
Yeah.
it's nice to, in this modern era, in this internet era, if it's a privilege to create your channel and post your videos. And it
Yeah.
will
Now.
remain like, yeah, it will remain like history. Like when I watch my previous videos, like 1 year before, how I was looking, how my communication skill was, and now after 1 year how I have changed. So it's like your album album type of thing. You can recall your memory also
Yes,
on
yes.
YouTube.
How's the
Yes,
weather
it's,
in Oshai?
today it's a sunny weather, and I'm in terrace, and I'm thinking to record my video on my terrace. So it's a sunny weather. It's nice.
It's
Um,
not raining here.
Yesterday it was raining, but today it's a hot day.
That's good. My place it's raining about time. The whole day it's raining. After half hour it's rain starts. After half hour rain starts like this.
So rain is good. We should enjoy rainy day. Every season we should enjoy. And I guess
Uh,
you are also on your terrace.
yes, yes, because inside line is coming and going. So it's not good to communicate with my partners, my co-learners. So I am on the road.
Okay. So your mother tongue must be Odia because
Yes,
you are
yes.
from Odisha.
Yeah, can you understand Odia?
Little bit, not that much, but yes, it's a lovely language. So tell me your English journey. How you what things inspire you to learn English, and you started your English learning journey, and how you will become that much fluent. Now you are speaking English and you are talking in totally in English. So I guess you are from Odia medium. You studied
Yes,
in
I am.
Odia medium,
Yeah,
and
I
now
am
you
from
are
Odia.
speaking English, and
Yes,
now you are speaking.
yeah, it was a long journey and it was not that much interesting, but I think my journey can motivate to other people. I have this belief. And my English was, my name is English, but I did not know English. So it was a shame for me. If I cannot speak English, then it will be more shame. And the second thing is, I love
No,
languages.
yaar,
I
you know
don't.
English, because why you are saying that you don't know English? You are speaking with me. Yes, there is no perfection line. The more you learn, the more you feel that I'm not perfect. I need to speak. I need to learn more and want to be perfect. But you know English, yaar. You are
Yes.
speaking in English.
Nowadays I know, but in my past I did not know any sentence, any words, and my reading English it was more poor. So and second is I love languages. I really want to speak different language, and I know why, because I love this world. So I always want to communicate with the world, and language is the only way to communicate with different culture and different people. So English is it's an international language. So this language is very common, spoken widely language in the world. And third thing is, if you know English, then you have a different value. Your
Yes.
education and your everything is, people will see you in different way if you know English well. So when I was in college lectures, we were schooling because we did not know English and we could not understand English, and we were ODM medium. So how we will know English? You tell. We told also. So but they scolded a lot. So I said, okay, one day. I'm sorry. So I said one day I'll speak fluent English like native speakers. That day I'll tell you.
Yes, great. And now you are speaking, and with you have, I guess, 1.3K subscribers on your channel. No?
Yes, yes.
So it's a great achievement. You have crossed 1K subscribers. So it's a great achievement. By the way, what is your real name? As you kept your channel name English Nayak, but what is your real name?
English is my real name. In my place, everyone calls me English. So it's my nickname, but English is my actually real name.
Really? Your name is
Yes.
English? Oh my
Yes.
God. You are the first person whom I connected, and your name is English. Wow. So everyone
Yes.
call you like English.
Yeah, in my school, when I was in college, everyone, my lecturer, my friends, my teachers, my relatives, everyone calls me like English.
Oh my God. English. Oh. Oh. Okay, English, it's nice to talk to you, and we will meet again, and we will discuss more about English, about improving your journey, many things. Okay.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Okay, bye. Thank you to meet with you.
Okay, bye.